What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of Hot Orange Tech Talk. In this video we will be checking out the Fifine T669 USB microphone. Now don't let this plain packaging minimalist boxing deter you. There is a bunch of stuff in this box and we're about to check what's inside. Firstly, a big shout out to Bound Sound and Lighting for sending us this microphone to review. All the product links and everything like that will be in the description below, so please, if you want to purchase one of these, please go and check out the link below and I'll take you directly to the website where you can grab one. Now, as the pandemic has obviously hit us very hard, we have seen an increase in live streaming, podcasting, and anything that really involves entertaining people from your own home. So it's no surprise that USB microphones and home studios have been on the increase. Now, in front of us we have a microphone from Fifine Technologies. Some of you might not know it, some of you might be familiar with the brand, but this new T669 comes from its predecessor, the K669B. Now, we'll open up the box shortly, but what you'll find in this box is something amazing, especially for the price. Now, at just over R1,000, you get a complete USB microphone with all of its extras. There's nothing you don't need that is not in this box. So let's see what's in the box and discuss the mic in more detail. Now, here's where the fun begins. As you can see, Fifine Technologies have not spent massive amounts of money on their packaging and advertising. Normally when we get sent a microphone, it comes with a nice flashy box or in a hard plastic housing. This case, they didn't. So they obviously have a lot of faith in their brand and a lot of faith in their product to send it out like this. I also feel that it keeps the cost down. So as I said previously, just over $1,000 will get you this little setup. So without further ado, let's open the box. First off, in the box, you get your pop filter. So you get the cool little pop filter that will clamp with the clamp, that'll clamp onto your stand. You get the Fifine T669 user manual, the protective foam. Then what's in the box, as I said to you, is pretty amazing. All of that for just over $1,000. Now that is impressive. So let's start unpacking. First thing we find here is spare parts for your shock mount, for sort of looks like little buffering rubbers or something like that, which is cool. Not many suppliers send you with spare parts. Next thing we look at is the shock mount for the actual microphone. We get a cool little tripod stand. So if you're traveling with the microphone, this would be nice just to pop up, set up and place your microphone on the tripod stand. Next, you get the windsock, full-size windsock with a 2.5 meter USB cable. It's actually pretty smart how the way they've packed it into the windsock. Next thing, you get the boom arm. Now this little boom arm stretches up to 76 centimeters, so giving you quite a lot of reach, especially the fact that it should cover a full-size table. You get the C-clamp to clamp it to a desk. And last but not least, the hero of the party, the microphone itself. So that is it over there. Pretty cool little guy. This whole package weighs in at like 1.5 kilograms. So super portable if you want to take it anywhere. like I said, everything is small, it's compact, it's light. Throw it in a backpack, off you go, and you can record basically anywhere you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug everything up, set up everything, and then I'm going to do a small little voiceover while showing you some dramatic pictures or B-roll footage of the microphone itself, so you can hear exactly what the microphone sounds like. I'll also be letting you know the specs through this little clip that I've got going, and so you'll get a better idea of the technical aspect of this microphone. The Fifine T669 USB microphone is a cardioid condenser microphone with a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hz. It has a -34 dB sensitivity rating and a signal to noise ratio at 78 dB. It only requires a 5-volt USB power supply and has a 2.0 USB output connection. The whole package or bundle weighs in at just 1.5 kilograms, making it extremely easy to travel with. So guys, what you heard there was plain raw audio directly from the microphone to the camera. No editing, no mastering, no nothing. Raw audio. As I said, the price point is what sells this microphone. With all the accessories and everything like that coming in at just over $1,000 is an absolute steal of a bundle. I don't think you would find something with all these accessories at that price point. I mean, just a boom arm would set you back over $1,000. So if you are a startup podcaster, a beginner streamer, or even a gaming enthusiast, this is a deal and a half. You cannot go wrong. However, there is one or two niggles that we have found while testing this microphone. First thing being is it is compatible with Mac, Windows, and PlayStation, however not compatible with Xbox. So if you are an Xbox gamer, you would have to look at something else. The other thing is, once the microphone is in the shock mount, you are not able to access the little volume control on the front. It is extremely difficult to move it up and down. So you would have to inadvertently mount it that way around to use the volume control, or preset the volume and then mount the microphone. Other than that, like I said, it's a powerhouse little bundle and you just cannot go wrong with it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. The only way we can grow is if you guys subscribe, so please subscribe. Hit the bell notification because we have a heap full of surprises for you in the next coming weeks. So at least you can keep on tab as what's happening. And until then, we'll see you again. Cheers.